In this video, I'm going to show us how to copy our door component, and I'm also going to show us how to move it to the correct spot and be able to flip its orientation as far as the way it's facing so it looks right as far as our door swing. Coming into our model, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my door and think about, hey, does my door need to be facing here with the right swing, or is the opposite side with the right swing? So I got to swing it all the way around. The way we do that is we come in and we select. Mine's already selected because it's highlighted with blue. But if I select it, I can do a right click, and on the bottom here, I have to make mine full size. You should be able to see flip along. And this is flip along axes. Alright, I had to make mine the full size and get rid of the bottom piece to be able to see the things because it's not snapping in right now. But flip along, we're going to go components green first, and then we're going to do it one more time, flip along, components red, which puts it in the right orientation. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this door. So coming in, I'm going to go to my move tool. In the move tool, down here in the bottom it says Control equals toggle copy. I already pushed the control key, but watch when I push it again. It adds a little plus mark next to my move tool. Alright, so I push it once, it turns it off. Press it another time, it turns it on. Now, I'm going to orbit around to the bottom side of my door frame. And the point that I'm going to try to click on is this point right here. Endpoint in frame. When I have already hit my control key, I can see that plus in my move tool. I click here, it's going to duplicate what I just did. And then, or the model that I had selected. I'm going to zoom in and kind of rotate around again so I can see the point that I want to go to. And it's that endpoint right there. That one snapped very easily. A lot of times they don't go in that well. It helps to kind of zoom in, slide around, slide down lines of the walls to find that surface for it to snap to. We'll do one more. Same thing in the back here, so coming around. First of all, I push my control key. I already currently have my last one selected, so I'm going to go to my selection tool. And I'm going to select this one now. And I'm going to come to the bottom one more time. Go to my move tool. Hit the control key. Zoom into the point. Endpoint of in frame. And then zoom out. It's making a copy, and zoom into where I want to go to. I'm going to orbit just a little bit before I get there. Remember, wherever your cursor is, we're going to zoom into, so it kind of helps to have that set up. And then there's that endpoint. Once again, sliding down the walls can try to help find that, and that's where that piece goes. I hope this helps you place your doors. The last two you'll have to flip again along a axis. I'm not going to tell you which one. You can figure it out. Thank you. Have a good day.